guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and as you guys can already see from the title what I'll be doing today, and I am like nervous right now. My heart is like pounding because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I saw Nikkietutorials did this and I was like, whoa, I gotta do it. I gotta try to do it, you know. I'm like, I'm a person who like to try new things, and if I fail, I'm gonna try again and again and again. That's how I am. So when I saw Nikkietutorials did this, I'm like, damn. Yeah, so I'll be doing the rainbow eyebrow look today in this video, and I hope it turns out good. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my foundation off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do the eyebrow. So if you want to see how I got this nice, well, can't see it now, but if you want to see how I'm gonna do this rainbow eyebrow look, stay tuned. But before we get started into this video, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and also turn on your bell because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so I am back. Face is on, concealer, highlight, all of that good stuff. Now is the eyebrow, and I am so nervous because, listen, Kat Von D is not cheap, and I went online because I wanted to buy the same pomade that Nikkietutorials have, and for one of them is $19, and I think I need like 6 or 7. So I was like, no way. YouTube ain't paid me. I don't get paid from YouTube. I do this because I love doing videos, okay? That's what a lot of people need to know, because you can't go on YouTube and expect to get money right away. You got to put in the work. So I am putting in the work. I don't get paid, okay? I have a 9-to-5 job. That's where I got paid. So for me to spend $19 on just one pomade, no, okay, I can't buy it all at one time because I think I need like 7 of them. So I decided to, don't laugh at me, okay? Please don't laugh at me, all right? I decided to go to Michael's craft store. I decided to go to Michael's craft store and get these stuff. Yes, I will be putting on these acrylic basic craft paint set on my eyebrows today, okay? So I picked these up and I realized that the colors that Nikkie have, they have it in here. So these are the colors, right? Okay, so these are the colors right here, and I have red, purple, yellow, orange, green, and blue. Okay, so listen, I'm being bougie right now, but I don't care. I want to do this. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope my eyebrow don't get up, you know. I hope my eyebrow don't get messed up from this. But I'm gonna do it, okay? So first and foremost, what I see she did is that, you know, she fixed up her eyebrow. And by the way, I'm trying to grow back my eyebrows so it's not really like shaped up or anything. So hopefully this turned out really good. I really don't know. Right now I'm just going with the flow. So here we go. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start off with the red one. So I'm gonna take my angle brush right here, and I'm gonna dip in it a little bit and put some on the back of my hand because I don't want to put too much and then, you know, it get messed up. So I'm gonna put a little bit onto the back of my hand, and then I normally start with this eyebrow and then I start with that. I don't know why, but I always go with this eyebrow. So go ahead, and I'm gonna start from the middle. So I'm only going to put this in the middle. I hope you guys can see because my lighting is so bright. So I'm going to start off from the middle, and then I'm going to fill it in. Oh my god, and I feel like it's drying up already on me. Jesus peace. I hope I don't mess up my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna go on the top. Then with that same brush, I wiped it off. Then I'm gonna go into the orange color, which is this color right here. Then I'm gonna put that like right close to the other one, but I'm kind of gonna blend it in just a little bit because I'm gonna put the purple right at the tip. Then I'm gonna go in with the purple and I'm gonna take a little bit onto the brush and I'm gonna put it right at the tip. So now I'm going to use this yellow right here and I'm going to put it right at the front, but I'm not going to put a lot. I'm just going to fan it out just a little bit. So first I'm going to start off at the bottom. And then I'm going to feather it in. Okay guys, so now that I put the color in, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with my MAC concealer. And I have a confession to make. These are not blending together. So if it look kind of weird right now, it's because it's not blending together. Okay, but you know what? I'm still going to do it. I don't know how it's going to turn out when it's all done. But basically, you could see the lines between each other because this is not the real eyebrow pomade, okay? I'm just experimenting right now because I can't buy Kat Von D at this moment. But Kat Von D, if you're listening, please put me on the PR list so I can just do it the right way. But right now it's not blending out, you know, because if I do put my spoolie in and I brush it, the whole thing gonna come off. So I was like, you know what? I wanted to turn off the camera and just was like, forget it. I'm not going to do this, but I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm just going to clean up. Okay guys, so I clean it up. It looks a little bit better, even though it's not blended out the way how I want to, but it looks a little bit better after it's cleaned up. So I'm going to start off with the other eye, and I'm going to still put the yellow at the front, but since I already start off with the red, should I do it like that? Okay, so I'm going to start off with the orange first, then the red. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit on the brush, then I'm going to put the orange in the middle. Then I'm going to fill it in. And these stuff dry up pretty fast, to be honest. So right now my heart is pounding because I'm like, oh my god, this shit is not gonna turn out good and I'm just gonna be wasting my time with this, but I'm gonna keep on doing it. So now I'm gonna go in with the red and I'm gonna put it close to the end because I'm still gonna put the purple. So I'm gonna try to blend it in with the orange if I can, and just fill it in. So every time I go, you know, I wipe off my brush. Look at this. Yeah, all messy. So I'm wiping off my brush. Then I'm going to go into the purple and I'm going to put it right at the tip. I never thought that I would be doing something like this on my channel. Never in a million years. Like, thanks to Nikki, she did that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the green and I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it like very close to the outer corner because I still want to put the yellow. So I'm gonna put a little bit. So right now I'm trying to like brush it up just a little bit. And I'm still going to leave space for the yellow. So now I'm going to dip into the yellow and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. But I'm not going to put a whole lot. So I'm going to start from the end. Okay guys, so I went back over this side because I realized that I'm missing a color. So when I had put the green over here, I was looking at this side and I was like, hold up. It's supposed to be a green over here too, if I'm not mistaken. So I put a green in the middle of the orange and the red. So the green is here and the green is on the other side up closer to the inner corner. So, hopefully, I don't know. I look so weird right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna clean it up with my concealer. Okay guys, so I am finished cleaning up my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna put on my lashes and just go with a neutral eyelid today, and then when I'm all done, I'll be right back with the finished product. All right guys, so this is the final. I'm shocked. It's something way different from what I do on my channel, but it's fun. You know, makeup is about art and just fun. You don't have to be serious all the time, but pretty much this is the final look of the Rainbow eyebrow tutorial. I kind of love this, to be honest. I mean, I wouldn't go outside looking like this. Maybe to like a, you know, like a bright color party or some party that make, you know, you could rock this and still look good. But for me to go out on the street looking like this, hell no, okay? But this is fun. Thank you to Nikkietutorials for introducing this to me. And I really like the way how it turned out after I put on my makeup, my lashes, and my lips. It's good, okay? I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I did. It was scary at first, but I like it. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Tell me if I did good. Like, do I need to improve? You know, is it good? So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this nice eyebrow tutorial. And definitely check me out every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.